Young Leaper.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Forex Eagle YouTube channel. Once again, we are here with a banger video again. So guys, in this video we're gonna be talking about something which is a little bit sensitive, maybe in two sides. I don't know how you guys are gonna understand this, but I'm gonna explain it in my own understanding, in my own way of thinking, and how we as Forex Eagle, we do things around here in our business, and how we treat individuals or our members, the way we treat them, the way we train them to become the best traders, or to become consistent traders that we want them to become. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking and sharing about something that is happening a lot to this industry, and many people are using those things and many people are doing those things. So I'm gonna be speaking a lot about those things that are happening in the industry. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about you versus the signal provider. But before we get into that, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video so that everyone can see this video and get this knowledge and pass the knowledge quicker. So guys, I'm going to be talking about you versus the signal provider. So my main focus is not on the signal provider, but my main focus is you as a beginner trader. I'm gonna be telling you why it kills you, why getting signals from the signal provider, it kills you as a beginner trader. So I'll be explaining all those things, why it kills you, why it blocks you from understanding and having the knowledge that you supposed to be equipped and have the skill to use on your own. That's what we always teach our students. We teach them how to look at setups. We teach them how to analyze. We update our setups. As you can see, if you go to our Discord channel where we have our students, as you can see, this is our Discord. We always give them setups instead of giving them signals, providing them with signals all day, every day. We do give out signals as well. We do give out signals, but we always make sure that our signals, they go with a setup so that they can understand why are they going into a certain market and why is it best for them to go into that setup or to take those signals from us. So that's what I'm going to be explaining in this video so that you guys can understand why is it killing you for you to get signals from the signal provider. So let's go to the charts, and let's say I'm a signal provider. Let's go to 1 hour time frame so that you can see how this thing is affecting you as a beginner trader and why you should learn the skill to analyze the market on your own so that you don't rely on a signal provider. So let's say, for example, I am giving out a signal, your signal provider, because we don't do that at Forex Eagle. We always give out a setup as a screenshot to our members so they can see what is happening in the market. They can see why we want to buy, why we want to sell, and where are we going to buy and where are we going to sell, and where our stop losses can go, and all those things, so they understand everything, because they're always on their screens. If they are not on their screens, they can see it on their phones why we are saying these certain things. So let's say your signal provider, not us Forex Eagle, because that's not how we do things. We always come up with a setup as I've explained. Let's say as a signal provider, your signal provider gives you a setup for selling Nasdaq. They say sell Nasdaq at 15. Maybe they don't even buy the price. They don't even tell you the price. As you can see, here's this price here. Nasdaq was at 15,000 something. So maybe they're not even telling you all those things. They sell Nasdaq now, stop loss at previous blah blah blah, maybe at 15,000 blah 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 the number, or at 16,000 that's the stop loss, TP hold, or they're telling you TP at maybe 14,000, 14,500, maybe they're telling you that to sell Nasdaq. And they send you the SMS, and the SMS goes into your phone. Maybe you are busy, you are studying. Some of us are studying as trading as well. We don't have time and all those things. Some of us are studying and all those things. So maybe your signal provider sends you a message that you should sell Nasdaq. Maybe you are in class, maybe you are at work, whatever the case may be. And then for a particular reason, you don't see the message. Maybe you see the message after 2 hours or 3 hours, and then you recognize, we have to sell Nasdaq. And then you go to your phone and then you're selling Nasdaq. And the next thing that happens as you are selling the Nasdaq, maybe it goes a little bit into profit and then it goes back. Maybe your stop loss is in these areas over here. It comes, it takes you out, and then after taking you out, it goes to the direction. And now you're going back and you're going to social media, you're fighting with your signal provider, you're talking bad and saying your signal provider is bad, he blew your account and all those things. These things that people comment about. And then you switch to another signal provider to provide you with the same thing, and the same thing happens over and over and over again. Why that thing is happening and how to prevent that thing from happening. That thing is happening because you don't want to take responsibility for your own life. You don't want to take responsibility for your own life because you put your money into the account, not your signal provider's money into your account. It's your money. If you funded 1,000 rand, or you funded $100 or $500 or $1,000, that is your money. So it's your responsibility if you lose that money. It's not the signal provider's responsibility if you lose that money. But then you don't realize that you need to put in the work, you need to do your analysis, you need to journal your trades, you need to look into the videos that your signal provider provides, if he does provide those kind of things. So most people, they jump from one signal provider to the next and doing the same mistakes, and after that they end up giving up trading because they don't actually understand or know how to trade. Because they don't know how to trade, they don't have a strategy. They are just taking signals from signal providers. If your signal provider say sell Nasdaq, you selling it. If it says buy, you buy. You don't even have a clue why you're buying or why you are selling. So that is killing you as a beginner trader. That is killing you as a beginner trader. So that's the thing I wanted to give you an eye on, guys, so that you guys can understand and get to understand everything about trading and all those things, so that you guys, it's not easy for you to give up on trading because you understand what you are actually doing. You have a strategy that is working and you have everything that you need. So let us go quickly to our Discord, our members. I know I'm showing this every time, but there's a reason why I'm always showing the unique way of us providing service for people who want to trade. There's a reason behind that, because I want you guys to understand why are we doing these things and why should we be running the industry the way that Forex Eagle runs it. Because many people follow these people that are not actually giving you the skill and the knowledge that you need as a trader so that you can grow. They limit that and they chasing your money and they chasing all these things so that you don't understand how to trade. And then after a while, you will end up giving up and calling Forex traders scammers, or calling the industry itself or trading itself that it is a scam. But it's not a scam. It's because you have a lack of knowledge. So This is how we do things. We analyze, we give out updates on our analysis. What are we looking at today? What are we looking at in long term? What are we looking at? Where is our progress? Are we still in profit? Should we be trading? Should we be looking at this level or that level? Should we be looking at this as our potential take profit? All those things, we provide all those things. At the same time, we have a private YouTube whereby you can learn. You can access our private YouTube on our Discord channel, where you are a member of Forex Eagle on our mentorship. You can watch these videos every time, unlimited videos. You can watch these videos. We have so many videos of this. We have section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, all the way to the downside. You can learn how to analyze yourself, look at the market yourself, do these things yourself. You don't need a signal provider. You need to gain knowledge on yourself and be able to provide for yourself. Because if you don't have a signal provider, what you're gonna do? You're gonna quit trading, right? If your signal provider is sick and is not in the charts, or your signal provider is dead, you're gonna switch to another signal provider. Or your signal provider is bad, is giving you bad trades, you're gonna switch to the next, and losing money paying for these signals and all these things. The best thing for you to do is to acquire knowledge. Seek for knowledge. Stop looking at these other things and be distracted by other things. Just acquire the knowledge. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys had a really good understanding of this video. I'm not throwing shades at anyone. I'm not trying to be the best in the game. I'm not saying that I'm the best or I'm perfect or all those things, or everyone out there who's sending out signals or doing these things or getting signals, they are bad and I'm the best. I'm not throwing shades at anyone. Please do understand that. But I'm just sharing my opinion as a trader, because one time I was like you, getting signals from a signal provider, and I was losing a lot of money by doing that. Back then I was working and receiving these signals, and I was blowing accounts consistently. But by the time I stood up and followed the knowledge and the skill and seek for the skill of the charts, I started being consistent and I started understanding all the stages of the markets, the psychological part of it, all those things. I started to understand them myself and applied it to myself, so that I can understand that I am accountable for whatever that is happening in my trading account. If I lose some money on my trading account, it's because of me. If I make profit and make amount of money in my account and be able to provide for myself and my family, that's because of me. It's not because of someone else. So seek knowledge out there. Make sure that you hit up with the real mentors, the people that are gonna provide you with the information that you need and everything that you need, so that you are secured to secure the bag yourself. So shout out guys, thanks for liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and we're gonna see you guys on our next video. Cheers guys.